In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of products on Squarespace. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly reorganize your products in a way that makes sense for you and for your customers. By the end, you'll know how to sort your items by price, by stock, and alphabetically, all from your Squarespace dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home dashboard. This is the central control panel for your entire site. From here, you can manage pages, settings, commerce, and of course, your products. If you're not already on the home screen, just click the main Squarespace logo or home icon in the top area of the interface to get back to it. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the section labeled Products and Services. This is where Squarespace groups together all of your sellable items. Go ahead and click on Products and Services. That will open up the commerce-related options for your site. Next, within that area, you'll see an option simply called Products. Click on Products. This takes you to a list of all your products in a table format. You'll see columns like Product, Price, Stock, and other details, depending on how your store is set up. This products table is where we'll be doing all of our sorting. To change the order of products by price, move your cursor to the top of the price column. You'll see a small arrow icon next to the word price. Click on that arrow once, and Squarespace will reorder your products from the lowest price to the highest. Click it again, and it will flip the order, showing the highest priced items first. This is helpful when you want to quickly see your budget items or your premium products at the top of the list. You can do the same thing with stock. At the top of the stock column, click on the arrow next to stock. When you click it, the products will be rearranged either from the lowest stock level to the highest, or the other way around, depending on how many times you click. This makes it easy to spot items that are almost sold out, or those that you have plenty of in inventory. Finally, you can sort your products alphabetically. At the top of the product column, click the arrow next to the product name heading. This will reorganize your items in alphabetical order. Click again to reverse it, so you can view them from Z to A instead of A to Z. Alphabetical sorting is particularly useful if you have a long list of items and you want to quickly locate a specific product by name, or just keep things neatly organized. Remember, these sorting options change the way products are displayed in your admin view, helping you manage your store more efficiently. You can switch between price, stock, and product name sorting at any time just by clicking the column arrows. And that's all you need to change the order of products on Squarespace.